Hey, this is Rohit and welcome to my channel Rohit Tabs. So this channel is all about guitar and ukulele tabs for Bollywood and Western music. And in my each video, you will find three sections. The first one is the play along, where you can simply follow along the video with tabs attached at the bottom. The second one is the slowed down section, where everything is slowed down to its half tempo and yes, with the full music score. The third one is of course everyone's favorite, the backing track section, where you can give it a shot of what you have practiced in a high quality audio track. So be sure to subscribe my channel so you'll be the first to know when I upload a new video, and make sure you comment below to introduce yourself. And I'll see you soon.